The thing that we get a lot of questions and comments on is the packing that we use. And everybody has noted many times over why it says 2007 there. Well, it sort of started with an exhibit that we had where the bee had brought in a lot of bundles of newspapers. Now, when I'm printing, any kind of letterpress printing has to have some sort of packing in it. Even the Chandler and Price press over there, the Washington press, it helps to get a nice even print out of things. And so we've used the newspapers from that. And it's just a specific set. It's not random. These both have the exact same count of pages and everything in them because I've found out from use what's the best optimum packing so that we do get good prints out of everything that we're working on. So that's where they came from. They don't last forever. They get kind of beat up here like this one. And when it gets to that point, it gets retired into the round bin, if you know what that is. And out comes another one. So that's what packing is and why we do it when we print letterpress printing.